In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Hostgator SSL. This process is not only essential for securing your website, but it's also quick and simple. We'll go through this step by step so you can follow along effortlessly. First, we'll begin by visiting the Hostgator website. This is your starting point for activating your SSL certificate. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to hostgator.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your credentials in the appropriate fields. This usually involves your email or username and password. If you've forgotten your details, there's often a forgot password option that can help you retrieve them. After you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Hostgator home, which is your main dashboard. Now that we're on the home page, look for the section titled Security. This can usually be found in the main menu or under a tab that consolidates your account settings. Click on Security, which will guide you to the security management section of your Hostgator account. Once you are in the security section, locate and click on SSL certificates. This area is specifically for viewing and managing your SSLs. An SSL certificate is crucial for encrypting data between your site and its visitors, ensuring that sensitive information remains secure. At this stage, you might see a list of available certificates for your domains, or an option to add a new one. If you don't see any certificates listed, it typically means you need to purchase one or activate a free trial if available. With the SSL certificates section open, follow any on-screen instructions to add or activate your SSL certificate. Sometimes this might involve selecting the domain you wish to secure and confirming the SSL activation. It should take just a few clicks to complete this process. Activating your SSL certificate is an important task for any website, as it boosts your site's security and can even improve your search engine ranking. It's worth mentioning that once activated, it may take a short while for the changes to fully propagate across the server. And there you have it. You've successfully activated your Hostgator SSL, ensuring your website is secure for your visitors. Should you face any difficulties or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Hostgator's support team for expert help. Thank you for following along with me today. Secure browsing,